Hey guys, what's up? Up here at the top of the mountain. It was a nice little climb, but we are in Bigfoot country right now, buddy. You best believe it. There's another big hill right there going straight on up. But coming up this one right here wasn't no joke. Woo! Get that heart thumping. I can feel up my kneecaps real good. Might hang out here the rest of the night. Not sure yet, but see that piece of clear land out there? Way out there? That'd be a nice place to live right there. Really would. Anyway, just want to share that with y'all. Have a good one.